Hello, let's take a look at our proofreading and grammar course so you can have a full understanding of the feedback opportunities and support that you'll receive in the course. So the course opens up with obviously the introduction and goals and learning about your instructor and support if you have any questions. But it immediately goes into proofreading information because the first task to fix errors is you have to find them. So this teaches you the optimal process so that you can most efficiently find errors. Now, obviously, in order to find the errors, you have to know what is correct and be able to correct any errors that you find. So that is why this course addresses grammar in great depth. So the course shifts from proofreading to grammar. And you'll see that it opens up with the most common grammar errors, and you'll have a quiz, and we're going to ask you to proofread a memo. We're also going to ask you to find some planted errors in these lessons as well. So right away, you're actually doing it as well as learning about it. Then it moves on to punctuation. Again, there's going to be an exercise to proof something for punctuation errors and a quiz. Then spelling errors, usage errors, which are tend to be the issues that trick people. You know, should I use less or fewer? Is it a countable noun or is it not a countable noun? Is it further or farther? Those kinds of issues. And there are links for deeper information on the most vexing of these. Then there is information on capitalization and number errors. And again, we're going to ask you to proofread for all of these and take a quiz on it. Format errors, same thing. You're going to proofread, find those format errors, and correct them. So across all of these 9 lessons and the repetitive proofreading opportunities that you have, you're going to discover what habits you have. What is it that you tend to miss? And so now when you see those patterns, you know where to turn your attention when you're proofreading, which makes you that much more effective, of course. But additionally, we ask you to complete one more proofreading task. And then, of course, there are the corrections in here as well that kind of puts it all together. And right here, submit an example of your writing to your instructor. So this is going to be something you submit after you've taken the class. So your writing's going to be much better than it is now before you take the course. But we want to actually see your writing, and we ask you to submit several emails because emails are where grammar errors or punctuation tends to present itself because, email there's an expectation that it's quick. So the proofing isn't as careful. So it's a nice document for us to review for you. Your instructor is going to review those emails or whatever document you submit very carefully and provide a list of the grammar errors that we discovered and an order by which you should correct them. Additionally, you'll receive a correction strategy guide and resources to resolve all of them. And the very last opportunity for interaction is in this very last lesson here that asks you to submit any final grammar, punctuation, proofreading, formatting questions that you have, and your instructor will provide additional information if there is anything still lingering. Unlikely, but just in case there's some nuanced question you have, you will get that individualized feedback and any support that you need on that. So as you can see, it's a very comprehensive course that resolves all proofreading, grammar, punctuation, format issues so that the syntax aspects of your writing are professional and correct. Thank you.